Friends, my name is Sanjay from Farmer Help. Today I am here for a special reason to tell you what happened in Germany, what happened in Belgium. 200 people are confirmed dead in Germany and Belgium. Over 1,000 people are still missing. Why it happened? Due to flooding. And what is the reason for this flooding? My dear friends, the reason is climate change. Due to climate change, this flooding happened. Also, Switzerland and Netherlands is affected. And now they are setting up emergency teams to deal with this flood situation. Why not before that? Why are you not serious on climate change? Will you take climate change seriously now? This is my question to all the people in Europe, US and across the globe. This question is for all of you. Will you be serious now about the climate change? After looking at what happened in Germany and part of Europe, will you now stop emitting greenhouse gases and stop global warming? Will you plant trees now? Will you make this earth green now? So we are here at Farmer Help. We are there with all the people affected due to flooding in Germany and part of Europe. Our sincere condolences to all the people in Germany and part of Europe due to this flooding. We are there with you. But now this is a time to seriously think about climate change. This is the time to support initiatives for climate change. And yes, at Farmer Help, we are doing our efforts to educate people about climate change, educate people about greenhouse emissions, educate people about using clean energy to save their lives. Friends, again my appeal to you, support to Farmer Help for this noble cause. Donation link is there in the description. Also, our Google Pay number is flashing on the screen. Do your bit. Support Farmer Help to make this earth green. At the end, for the people in Europe, I want to sing this song for you. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर हो ना। Stay strong, Europe. We are there with you. Thank you very much.